Mabuhay! Welcome to the Philippines, a nation of resilience, warmth, and unity. An archipelago of more than 7,000 islands in Southeast Asia, thrives with over 100 cultures, blending tradition and modernity, and unique, vibrant nation. And now, welcome to Manila, our historic capital, a vibrant city where centuries of heritage blend seamlessly with the pulse of modern life, reflecting the spirits of the Filipino people.
It is my honor to welcome you to Manila, a city where history and progress meet. We are thrilled to host TUFH 2026.
Explore Manila's vibrant history through the storied walls of Intramuros and Fort Santiago. Admire the timeless beauty of San Agustin Church. Walk through Rizal Park and dwell into our heritage at the National Museum Complex. Finally, immerse yourself in the energy of Binondo, the world's oldest Chinatown, where a variety of restaurants serve delectable dishes sure to satisfy every craving.
I'm proud to introduce the National Health Science Center of the University of the Philippines. Honor, excellence, and service. These motto guide us in nurturing future leaders of our country. With 9 campuses across the Philippines, we are committed to serving the Filipino.
Welcome to UP Manila, the first UP campus and the country's top health sciences university. We're home to leading colleges such as the College of Medicine, the College of Public Health, the College of Pharmacy, the College of Dentistry, the College of Allied Medical Professions, and the College of Nursing. We also house the National Institutes of Health, a vital research hub.
The UP Manila School of Science leads the community-oriented health education with landmark programs in midwifery, nursing, and doctor of medicine. We train health professionals to serve remote and underserved areas such as Palo, Leyte, Baler, Aurora, Coronadal, South Cotabato, and Tarlac.
TUFH 2026 brings together global change makers to co-create inclusive, community-driven solutions for resilient health systems. Hosted by the Philippines, with the theme Bayanihan for Health Equity. The conference will also explore 4 key sub-themes: community-driven health systems, strengthening local solutions for sustainable impact, equity by design, harnessing technology, data, and innovation in health and education, strengthening the global health workforce, recruitment, retention, capacity building, and support in underserved communities. From policy to practice, exploring barriers and enablers through local partnerships. Prepare for a unique cultural and learning experience. Here, you'll discover Bayanihan, our spirit of community, and Pakikipagkapwa, our deep sense of shared humanity. During your time with us, you'll help co-create health systems and low-resource and climate-vulnerable settings, build meaningful connections, and deepen your understanding of our diverse nation.
On behalf of the entire organizing committee, I extend our heartfelt invitation to TUFH 2026. Join us in August, here at the University of the Philippines, Manila, as we work towards unity for health. See you in Manila.